EMOG 3-tier fixture, 60-watt bulbs. They're E26s, 120 volts. And we're going to show you what the fixture looks up nice and close. Take your glass dome, carefully place on, hold it, place on the actual unit the way it came off, and take your time. Once you get it going, do not over tighten. Please make sure you just get it on there comfortable. Once it's on comfortable, it's not going to go anywhere. You have a bulb and you place on. You get 3 included small bulbs. You're going to have boxes, walls, wherever you have your power. And remember the way your fixture goes up and down. And I'm going to hook mine right up here. And I'm going to lock it into place. Now, if you never worked with electricity, the first thing you do is you go find the outlet, the switch, the circuit breaker, and shut off. And once you shut everything off, you're good to go. You take a meter, you read the 2 leads. If it doesn't show any voltage on AC, then you're definitely safe to do your work. Remember, this is the way the fixture's going to go. It's facing up, the 2 bolts. Here's your ground. Remember that hint I gave you? You're going to wrap your ground and you're going to lock it down. And when you lock your ground down and this is hanging, it's going to be held there nicely for you. Your neutral. You're going to take them. You're going to work them together. Make sure they don't touch the load. And make sure you work with one hand, which is impossible. And you're going to simply now do like so. And then you take the next lead. And you're going to take it and do the same thing. Hook them together. And you're done. Then you're going to take all your wires and put them into the junction box. Then take your thumb bolts that you saved to the side. And you're going to now place this on nice and neat. Your ground is locked up, your neutral's locked up, and no wires are showing. And you're going to just look for those leads. The AC is on, the bulbs are lit, and there you have a beautiful setup. So if you have a switch that has a dimmer switch and so forth, you'll be able to adjust this to your liking. Now this does generate some heat because they're incandescent bulbs, and today we use fluorescents and LEDs. You are not subject to the incandescent bulbs again that they offer you. This is a nice gold color for you. It's a bathroom fixture. It does a nice job where you need to be at. And I hope you enjoyed this unboxing how-to demonstration for you. I hope you enjoy your product and your fixture when you get yours. Have a great day, everybody.